Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting endeavor. Here's a short guide to help you get started. Define your content. Decide on the type of content you want to create. It could be vlogs, tutorials, gaming, educational, comedy, etc. Find something. Plan and research. Research your target audience and the kind of content they enjoy. Look for gaps in the existing content to create something new. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, create a Google account. This will be used to set up your YouTube channel. Set up your channel. Go to YouTube, log in with your Google account, click on your profile picture, and select Create a Channel. Follow the instructions to set up your channel. Name, description. Create channel art and logo. Design eye-catching channel art and a logo that represents your brand. Tools like Canva can help you create professional look. Get the right equipment. Invest in decent recording equipment like a good camera, microphone, and lighting to ensure. Record and edit your videos. Start creating content and use video editing software, Premiere Pro, iMovie, to edit your videos to make them more engaging. Upload your videos. Click on the Upload button on YouTube and follow the instructions to upload your videos. Make sure to add relevant titles, descriptions, and be consistent. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to build a loyal audience. Regularly posting quality content. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Engage with your viewers to increase your channel's views. Understand analytics. Utilize YouTube analytics to understand preferences. This will help you improve your content and strategy. Monetization. Once your channel gains popularity and meets YouTube subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning money through ads and other revenue streams. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, patience, and stay true to your unique style and content.